Hey guys, Bubba Sawyer here, coming at you with a quick unboxing with my buddy Roger. But what we're doing here is opening this package up from Dino chainsaw. I got off of him a while back. Old Craftsman. He sure takes it up good. Damn, Dan. Let's tape, bro. Bar and chain. I don't want to get dirty today, so we'll do the best we can. Dang, man. The bar and chain. What we really want is this power head out. Forest green, Craftsman, 18-inch, 42cc, basically a Poland Woodchark with the anti-vibe setup. I've had these in the past, good saws. Plus he done opened it up, the muffler. Well packaged, good looking saw. Thank you, Dino. See you later, guys.